Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your GMC Acadia. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then navigate to the infotainment system's main menu. Look for the phone or Bluetooth option. Once you find it, select Pair Device or Add New Device. This action puts your Acadia's system into discovery mode, ready to connect with your phone. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now let's get your phone ready. Open your phone settings application. Locate the Bluetooth option and toggle it on. Your phone will then begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. You should see your Acadia appear in the list, often named GMC Acadia or something similar. This step is crucial for your phone to detect the vehicle's system and initiate the connection process. Once your phone finds your Acadia, tap on its name in the list. Both your phone and the vehicle's display will show a unique pairing code. Verify that these codes match exactly, then confirm on both devices. Your phone might ask for permission to access contacts or call history. It's usually best to allow this for full functionality. This final confirmation establishes a secure and reliable Bluetooth connection. With your phone now connected, you can enjoy hands-free calling and wireless audio streaming through your Acadia's sound system. For future drives, your phone should automatically reconnect when you start the vehicle, provided Bluetooth is enabled on your device. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your phone and the vehicle's infotainment system. It's a simple way to reset and often resolve minor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.